This is a Dynaway step-by-step guide on how to calculate round orders from Planning Worksheet. Click on Work Orders and then on Planning Worksheet from the toolbar. Select Calculate Plan to start the calculation of round order plans. In the window in the Options tab, the button Plan Round Orders is automatically set to include round orders in the calculation. Click OK to proceed. You can now see the calculated round plans and work order plans. The red dates mean that the original plan dates are overdue and are instead set up as the current date. Round plans are marked in a red box below. Select the checkboxes for the round plans in the Accept Action message column. The round plans marked in the red box below all have a check in the column. Click Carry Out Action message to create round orders from the round plans you have selected. A message shows up with information about the plans that were created. Select OK to finish. The round plans for which round orders have been created are now removed from the Planning Worksheet. You can now go to Work Orders from the toolbar to view the round orders that you have just created. The round orders have been marked in a red box below.